Hello, welcome to my channel Kritika Entertainment. Today I'll tell you about invalid number exception in PLSQL. First thing, we have already discussed some predefined exceptions like as zero divide and zero divide exception and your other exceptions. I have already given videos, but now today I'll be show you the predefined exception or system defined exception, that is invalid number. So if you are new to my channel, then subscribe it. If you have already subscribed, then watch this video till last and give your comments whether it is understood by you or not. So let's start. First thing is, I have already repeatedly told you the syntax of exception is what. First you will write the declare, then okay, then we start the begin, then you will be enter some data, then in the exception, if your exception, any exception will be occur inside the begin block, then okay, then your exception block will be executed. So now today I will start the invalid number exception. Then question is, when invalid number exception? Now suppose when means it is failed to convert from character to number. Suppose I have entered, suppose we have to enter the mark is a number type. In the mark field you have entered your name, then it will be failed to convert that name to the mark number. So it is called Patna invalid number. So now I'll be show you the practical. Okay, then come to the practical. Then I'll be show you. First thing, I'll be here. First I'll be see the what are the tables are present in my account. So you type the tab. So one of my table I found, suppose stood. Okay, then here we type the select this star from okay stood. Then I'll check. Okay, there is no table exist. Then suppose I'll be type stood 55. Then see, yes, this table mark is already defined. So in the mark field I'll be enter the suppose any character. Then I'll check what will be happen and what is the error record and how to track this error. Okay, so here I'll be write ed, suppose d drive. Okay, suppose I'll be type the invalid, okay, invalid dot SQL. Then it will be open. Okay, then here I'll be type the begin. Okay, then here write suppose insert into stored 55 values, stored okay 55 values. Then what are value I have to insert? Suppose roll number is 1011. Then I have entered name, suppose Akash. Okay, then I have entered the mark, suppose here ABC. This is actually invalid because of this field, your mark field, it takes the integer type value. So after that I'll be write the end. Okay, then you see what is the error will be occur here. I'll save this and I'll be close this. Okay, then I run this at the rate Okay, D colon double backslash invalid dot SQL. Give the first slash invalid number. Okay, what is my error? My error is the invalid number. So now at line 2 it is the error. That means it is line 1 and this is one line is equal to line 2. So to handle this, what will write here? I will be define my own error message here. So here I'll be type what? Now when, okay, when invalid number okay, then DBMS output dot put underscore line. Okay, and I can define here my own message. You cannot insert what? Character values. Okay, my own message this. So I'll be save this. Okay, then what will happen? I'll be save this and I'll be close this. Okay, then I'll be run this, then see. Okay, and front slash with the front slash. Okay, it will be equal what? Now when. So we'll be write what? Now encounter when. So I think so what is declare include when executing on the following begin cache declare expect for go to loop. Okay, then line 5. Here is line 5 column 4. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so you cannot when what is the error that DBMS underscore output dot put line you cannot insert character. Suppose I will make it begin insert into student values, then Akash ABC, then what will type when invalid number, then DBMS underscore output dot put line you cannot insert. Okay. And what is the problem here? Okay, here line is broken. So when you do the practical, you will be give like this, then give the okay, then semicolon end, then save this, then close. Then again run this. Then it will display okay, encounter symbol when expected event. Then where is the symbol that so I will make it small. It cannot insert character. Then save this. And close it. Okay. Oh, sorry, you have not written the exception. You write the here exception. Exception block is I have not written. So close this. Okay, then run. Procedure successfully. Then write the set server output on. So be cautious about if you will be miss any semicolon or you have not initialized properly or you have not write the exact syntax, then it will display the error which is difficult to solve it.